Data centers are leading the way for business infrastructure growth. As AI and cloud services expand, there's a greater need to protect them. With this growth comes innovation, which is why we created a device with the largest cable capacity on the market. This is the Series 84 Plus from Specified Technologies. The highest capacity, code-compliant, fire-rated pathway has arrived. When you're looking to scale, this is what a scalable firestop system looks like. It's also what 93% more cable capacity looks like.
Cable capacity is actually a very important factor for this device. We want to maximize efficiency, minimize loose spaces, and that's what we did. Taking every opportunity to maximize the performance of our device, and then this is why we ended with a very, very great capacity.
It's designed to manage high cable volumes up to 100% visual fill and maintain compliance at fire-rated barriers. Data centers and large-scale commercial projects will benefit from the ability to match cable tray area with pathway capacity. There is no compromise with the Series 84 Plus. Its built-in fire and smoke sealing system provides an easily installed, long-term, maintenance-free solution. It not only delivers unmatched fire protection, it also delivers unmatched cable capacity and compatibility. With its seamless modularity, you create the system you want.
The 84 and the 44 both share some critical dimensions, and this allows us to gang the two devices together with our adjustable wall brackets to accommodate the needs of different standard NEMA-size cable trays.
It will be the go-to choice for all your future cable needs, as no additional fire stopping is needed, and really no additional anything is needed, making for the most cost-effective solution available. This is the next evolution of EasyPath from STI.
We're a data-driven company, and that's where we excel. We've been here in this market for a long time. We are the leaders. We want to keep innovating, and innovation comes by partnering with our customers, with our suppliers, and by having this great team that designs wonderful solutions.
With the EasyPath Series 84 Plus, the future of cable capacity is ready to be installed today. Contact STI or your local distributor to learn about our firestop solutions.